Welcome back to Roots and Anvil. Today we're working on part 2 of the Teikka project. Last time we did the hoof pick out of the first chunk of the horseshoe. This time we're moving on down to the tip. We're taking this tip of steel that I cut off the end of the horseshoe and we're going to make another horseshoe out of it, just a little bit smaller. Today we're going to be making a horseshoe pendant out of this steel from the horseshoe. So what we're going to do is we're going to be taking the tip here, we're going to be hammering out nice and flat into a bar shape, and basically we're going to build a horseshoe, but about this big. The trick to this project is really going to come down to the size of it. We're not going very big on the pendant. I want it to be small, comfortable, easy to wear on a daily basis, which means, we got to go small, keep all the details in a tight area, which sometimes can be challenging. The biggest thing is I don't really have small tools. All the tools that I have are the smithing tools. I don't really have jewelry tools. So when I try to smith something out that's this small, that can be tricky. Usually I'm pre-working from bars and things like that. So to take something that's got a bit of a size to it, and then that bead on it to flatten that out, it's going to take a little doing. So we're going to see how it goes. And I don't know, see where the dust settles. All right, and there we have it. Got ourselves a horseshoe necklace. I think Brooke will be pretty happy with that. This one was a little challenging. Like I said, being so small, it presents some difficulties. One thing I would do differently is the holes that I put in here, probably put in after. I put them in before I did the shape, just to get them consistent. They did kind of squish off a little bit. They look okay. They do kind of match the original shoe a little bit because there was some deformation in the holes. Um, but being so small, it definitely had some challenges to it. Like I said, holding it, cooked my fingertips a little bit at some points there. But I think the end product was pretty cool. So we've now got a miniature horseshoe made out of a big horseshoe. So that wraps up project number 2. Number 3 is on its way. Stay tuned to see what that one's all about. It's going to take me a little bit more time than the other ones, but it's going to be worth checking out. So stay tuned, like, subscribe, share with your friends.